This has to be it! The crystal caves! It's real!
I've got the compass and the snacks.
Don't forget the fruit. I packed the bananas.
I'm ready. Let's go have an adventure.
Look at that beach! Let's go!
We made it. Last one there is a rotten egg.
Wait for me, guys.
Look at the stars tonight, little one. They look like tiny fires in the sky.
We have to go here first, right across the Pacific.
Or maybe down here in the Amazon.
Yes, the Amazon. Let's do both. My greatest aspiration is to soar through the cloud realm. Will you join me? Yes. Share the joy tonight.
on, Syed. Let's see what's out there.
Easy now. We need to stick together and watch our step.
is open.
Look at these flowers. They are beautiful.
The quest is calling us.
Let's see where the path leads. Watch as I connect the pathways here and here.
Look, it's stabilizing. We built the bridge together.
Fantastic work, team.
It fits perfectly.
We make a great team.
We found it. We finally found the flower of the sun.
It's beautiful. We did it. Greetings, little ones. I am the Fruit Lady, and this is my enchanted orchard. Welcome, Mishmish and Syed. Welcome, explorers. These glowing fruits will light our path through the Whispering Woods.
Said, these fruits, they glow because they hold the light of 1,000 suns. They say if you eat one,
State your intentions. Why have you come to our forest with this offering?
We come seeking peace, not conflict. Our intentions are clear: to share this forest in balance and wisdom.
This is it, the start of our journey. Celebrating the rhythm of friendship's gentle beat, dancing here together. Feel the light embrace you now. Let the magic show you how.
the path ahead is long, but with courage and cooperation, we are ready. Yes! Together, we can face anything. This is powerful magic, unlike anything I've seen. We must approach with wisdom and caution. How I got here? I'm lost in the Valley of Dreams and I can't find my way home. Please help me.
I know this place seems frightening, Lulu, but Mishmish and I understand its magic. We will help you navigate the dangers ahead.
Collect morning dew, highest peak, before sunrise.
We must undertake this quest to help Lulu. It won't be easy, but together we can succeed.
Follow me closely. Watch your footing. Don't be afraid, Lulu. We are right here.
I'm not afraid. Let's reach the summit.
gratitude is endless. You risked everything for my freedom.
We faced the danger together.
Thank you both so much. I can finally go home. Your bravery is commendable.
I can't believe we can talk now. The possibilities are endless.
Let's go see who else needs our help.
Help me, someone please help.
I can understand it. It needs our help.
Let's go.
I'm safe in my nest. I'm finally home.
The others are safe here. It is time for us to begin our journey and find those who need our help.
Let's go, Syed. I am not afraid.
I can't believe we're finally leaving.
It's gonna be the best adventure ever.
Look how fast I can go.
It's time for our adventure. Wow, this is gonna be amazing.
Experience the magic of this enchanting world, where cheerful melodies and laughter resonate in the air.
Treasure Island. The red X marks the spot. I know exactly where that is. Hop on, adventure awaits. On your adventure. Remember to stay alert for danger and listen closely to the jungle sounds. I'll be waiting right here. Finally, a visitor has arrived. Do not be alarmed, little one. I am the guardian of this cave.
That map leads to something far greater than gold. It grants wishes.
Wishes? You mean magic is real?
Our voices rise as one. The wish has made us free.
The treasure isn't just gold. It's the ancient cat city, hidden for millennia. This is our shared heritage.
We know the city exists. We must be brave and find it.
Who will join me on this quest?
Welcome to the city. I am pleased you have finally arrived. We have, in fact, been expecting you.
Look closely.
The true treasure is not magical objects or ancient wisdom found here, but recognizing the courage.
We understand now, Hakima. The treasure was never gold. It was our courage, our kind hearts.
Congratulations, young ones. You have achieved true wisdom and are now etched into the annals of cat history. We traveled far, but the greatest treasure we found was realizing that true wisdom comes from within.
What an incredible journey. I couldn't have asked for better friends. You are all my real treasure.
Excellent choices, everyone. Your meals will be served shortly.
We can't wait, thank you.
seems to fit the path perfectly.
Yes, the colors match the missing section.
Let's place it there. Wait, I think I see the pattern. Oh, look at the colors. That's it. We connect them all together.
We have to move this rock. Are you with me?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the show!
What an incredible kitten!
Come one, come all! Join the fun and subscribe to our channel!